Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. The appellant, who is the defendant number 1, has challenged the judgment and decree of the learned Additional Chief Justice, City Civil Court, Hyderabad, passed in favor of respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, who were the plaintiffs in the suit for recovery of the possession of the suit property after demolishing the structure thereon and by evicting the defendants therefrom. Stop. The respondent number 4 herein is the defendant number 2 in the suit. Stop. The suit property is a portion of serial number 125 to an extent of 20,000 square yards situated at Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, described in the plaint schedule. Stop. Its original pattedar transferred it in the name of the plaintiff's father on 30/10/1930, and he in turn transferred it to his wife under a settlement deed dated 15/9/1938. Stop. His wife died on 27/4/1973, leaving behind her the plaintiffs, her children, as legal heirs who succeeded to the said land after her death. Stop. It was alleged that the plaintiff's father and thereafter their mother was in continuous possession of the said land. Stop. It appears that one person was managing the suit survey number, leasing out and collecting rent from tenants at the instance of the owners thereof. Stop. It was alleged that the defendant number 1, without any right, title or interest, occupied the suit land during the 4th week of 1965 and put up a construction on the ground that he had been put into possession by defendant number 2, and in spite of the repeated oral requests, the first defendant did not demolish the illegal construction nor handed over possession of the suit land to the plaintiffs, and therefore they have to file the suit for possession for damages at the rate of rupees 250 and for demolition of the illegal construction. Stop. Para. Both the defendants, by filing the written statement, resisted the suit. Stop. According to them, the said person was the owner of the suit survey number, and he entered into agreement of sale in favor of second defendant and sold it to him under the sale deed and put him in possession of the same. Stop. The second defendant in turn sold a portion of it, being the suit land, in favor of defendant number 1 under the registered sale deed. Stop. It was contended that defendant number 2 was put into possession of the land by said person under the agreement of sale, and later on defendant number 2 put defendant number 1 in possession by virtue of the sale transaction. Stop. It appears that the defendant number 2, after obtaining permission from the police, had arranged for blasting the stones in the suit land, that the defendant number 1, after obtaining the approved plan and license, put up a building on the suit land, and he has been in possession of the same since then. Stop. They have contended that they are the bona fide purchasers of the suit land for value without notice of any right or title of any other person as alleged. Stop. In the alternative, they have contended that said person, thereafter defendant number 2 and defendant number 1, have been in continuous possession of the suit survey number and the suit land for over 12 years, and therefore they have perfected their title to it by adverse possession stop. They have denied the right, title, or possession of the suit survey number and the suit land either with the father of the plaintiffs, their mother, or the plaintiffs themselves at any time. Stop.